right, nice and lovely, guys. So basically, welcome back with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen again and again. All right, welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo, cooking again and again. All right, nice one. We're just gonna be going live for about 10 minutes, not too long. So hopefully you guys will like this one. It's gonna be very easy, simple, and quick recipe. A lot of people, at the moment, the weather changing. The weather is changing. The time is changing. You have to work with the time. Now, what I'm gonna simply say to you, I'm gonna be making you a simple recipe, which is not gonna be complicated, not gonna be very hard. It's gonna be a simple one. And this one, which I'm going to be showing with you today, is going to be a very fantastic and an amazing recipe where you guys definitely can do at home. You can do this at home, guys. Honestly, it's we all know that this time of the year, the weather come out, and when the weather come, a lot of people come down with a cold, a flu, or getting sick, so you have to work on something. You have to do something at home in this time and the weather. All right. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to be showing you all of my ingredients, which I've been working with, and they work very good. There's an amazing recipe where you guys definitely can work with at home, and 100% you guys can do this at home. Drink it before you go to your bed at night and see the result where you get from this amazing drink. All right, it's going to be a hot drink, but it is powerful and amazing. All right, now we have some Jamaican white rum, and we all know that Jamaican white rum is very good for you. It's just something which a lot of people all over the world normally drink it. They drink it with so many different things. They make it in so many different kind of things. And and I have some pimento seed. You have to have pimento seed at home in this time, and also I have some lime and some lemon and some ginger. I got some honey, and I have some sweetener. So different kind of people, different kind of taste, different kind of flavor, and different kind of texture of everything what's going on in the kitchen. Now, what we're going to do is going to be a very quick and simple recipe. It's not going to be complicated or anything. It's going to be just a very quick one from Chef Ricardo today. So basically, if you're at home and you're coming down with a cold, a flu, something is coming on you, catching on you, you need to act. All right? You need to act instantly. So if you're at home and you're catching like a cold or a flu or some, I don't know, wherever you're catching, you need to act instantly. Get rid of that cold, get rid of that flu, and with some natural homemade remedy from Chef Ricardo and and the team. All right, now what we want to show you, we got the Jamaican rum, and we have honey, and we got also apple cider vinegar, which is also good. All right, so what we're gonna do, the first thing, I like to use the lime. To be honest, I like to use the lime. You might say, why you used to like to use the lime, Chef Ricardo? The lime, it doesn't have any seed, but lemon is very good also, So I just cut it into half, and I'm gonna let's squeeze it out and see exactly what's happening. All right, so I'm gonna squeeze out about half of this beautiful lime juice right here inside of my cup. Guys, try this at home. I'm telling you, if you're coming down with a cold or a flu, or you feel like your nose is running, you need to act. All right, and not only that, this is just very good to cleanse the body and detoxing of the body. Also, if you don't put any rum in it, it's very, very healthy and good for you to make at home. A lot of people doesn't like rum, but if you don't like the rum, what you can also do, you can just squeeze out the lime juice and put some hot water and a little bit of honey and drink it, and you are very good to go. It's a simple recipe, not complicated, as I said before. I'm just giving you a beautiful recipe which you guys can make at home. Now, Jamaican rum, we all know that we're gonna be using the cork, and fold it up like this. Put 1, 2. So I put two corkful, roughly we work out to about a teaspoon, all right, inside of it. So right there, I put it straight inside of it. Now what I'm gonna do is put some hot water inside of it, the cup. All right, you wanna drink this before you go to your bed tonight. Anyone who watching this video, you need to drink this before you go to your bed tonight, because remember, you are not iron, or you know what I mean, we're just human beings. We have to look after ourselves. Now, what I'm going to do next is get my lemon right here, or my lime. I'm using lime, and I'm going to be cutting up a few slices like this. All right, this is exactly what you need to do, and put it straight inside of the water, just like this. You need to do this before you go to your bed tonight. You need to. All right, now you can use organic honey, and a lot of people doesn't like the honey and all them things, but organic honey is the best. You can put a teaspoon of the honey inside of the cup. Secondly, what you can also do, if you're a person who doesn't like honey or anything, and you're using sweetener because of certain things, you can put a sweetener inside of it. Just put 1, and it's very good for you. All right. Secondly, we have some pimento seed. This is some Jamaican pimento seed, and they're organic. All right, we're gonna put about 3 of them inside of it. Make them go and float on top of the water, just like that. All right, guys. Now, this is a drink, as I said before, is very, very good for you. And if you're watching this video right now, you need to drink something like this before you go to your bed. If not, drink some lemon and some hot water with some honey and some apple cider vinegar, and cleanse your body before you go to your bed. A lot of people eat beef, chicken, all sorts of kind of different kind of meat, but you need to cleanse your body. You need to wash out your immune system and boost up your immune system and build up your immune system. That's the immune system strong and fit and ready to fight the cold and the flu when it's coming in. All right, and if you're a person who interested in weight loss and also detoxing of the body, try and cut out the fatty food, oil, and all these things, and eat healthy, even for 1 week, even for 1 day. Try and eat healthy. You know what I mean? Eat some fruits, eat some salad, and look after yourself and be healthy and get ready for the winter, because you know what I mean, so many things going on at the moment. You have to prepare your body. You have to prepare your body for the winter. All right. You don't want to catch the cold. You don't want to catch the flu, or you know what I mean. You don't want to catch no that, you know what I mean. So be careful out there, guys. Look after yourself and be strong and be fit and be healthy, and you know what I mean. Use a lot of natural ingredients. Cut out the whole for oil food and the whole for fatty meat, and look after your body, just like when you're spending time and looking after your car. You understand? You need to do the same thing with your body. You need to put your body first, which a lot of people doesn't do that. A lot of people, you know what I mean, put their body last. You need to look after yourself and be healthy and fit and strong, and you know what I mean, fight against the cold and the flu when it's coming. Anyway, it's just a quick tip and ideas for you guys. I'm just sharing with you tonight to make you know that, you know what I mean, you need to drink this before you go to your bed tonight. Before you start to sleep, you need to drink something like this before you go to your bed. If not, if you don't have the rum, or you got lime or lemon, don't use this one. You know what I mean? Because chemical in this one. You want to use organic, the fresh one. All right. So what you want to do? Squeeze out half a lime into some hot water into a cup. Put a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of honey for sweetness if you can. If not, you don't have to use honey. Just drink it natural, and you're good to go. All right. So what I want to say, guys, as I said, look after yourself. Be strong and be fit and be healthy out there. Prepare your body for the cold weather, guys, coming. All right. This cold weather is coming, and it's going to be hitting a lot of people, and you'll be coughing, you'll be sneezing, and you know what I mean, when you prepare your body from now, cleanse out your body and cleanse out your immune system and flush out your immune system, then your immune system build up and ready to attack anything which is going to be coming. So yeah, look after yourself, guys. We love you now, and you know what I mean, get my cookbook, support Chef Ricardo and the team, and follow us on, you know what I mean, on YouTube and Instagram, and like the page and the pictures, guys. Support us, build up us, and support us why we share this beautiful ideas and recipe for you. We have some fresh ginger. Yeah, here's the ginger. You know what I mean? What you can do with the ginger, get on a nice piece of ginger like this. Look at that, beautiful. That's nice and lovely. You know what I mean? Get it, grate it, and squeeze out the juice, put it into some hot water, and drink it before you go to your bed at night. All right? Thank you so much. I love every one of you. And remember, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend, tell a sister, you know what I mean? Tell wherever you can tell, guys. Share the video and make someone know exactly what's going on. We love you all and stay tuned. 100%. I will see you again in the kitchen with more beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. All right? So, yeah, why not? Subscribe.